everyone, how you doing? Charles Parker here with AZ Credit Medix. I'm pretty sure everyone's probably hearing through social media and everything under the sun about this, the current administration forgiving $5.8 billion in student loans. But remember, I talked about a video yesterday saying that there's specifics to that actual forgiveness, discharge, whatever you might call it. So what they're doing is Corinthian College, they're discharging $5.8 billion of federal student loans that were pulled from Corinthian College. And let me give you a little background about Corinthian College. Corinthian College was started and founded in 1995. And as they went through business, it was a for-profit school. They got a couple schools under the belts. They were actually shut down in April 27, 2015 for mishandling student loan, among, of course, other things. So because of that reason, it has taken nearly almost roughly 7 years to come to this actual point, which they're going to forgive $5.8 billion that is currently going to be discharged, which equates to 560,000 former students will benefit from this. But the one thing about it is you must have attended Corinthian College within the dates of February 1995 and its closure of April 27, 2015. You don't need to contact the Department of Education because they're going to actually contact you when it comes to the discharge. Some of the schools that Corinthian College owed, and this ruling falls under, is going to be Everest College, Heal College, WyoTech Technical Institute. No other schools have been added, but keep your ears and eyes open for the future because you never know when there might be changes. Again, this has taken 7 years to this point. So if you have any comments, put them below. You have any questions, put them below. Or you can always call us at 888-959-8893. We're more happy to help you. If you didn't know, now you know.